How to repair corrupted USB or SD card? How you can see my USB drive, I cannot access it, but you don't need to worry, we can easily repair it. You just need to go to the start menu here. Now you need to write here, type here to search, you need to write here cmd. So on the top you will see command prompt, right click on it and run as administrator. Perfect. So this is our command prompt window. Now you need to write here diskpart, diskpart, and hit enter key. Perfect. So this part is selected now. Now write here list space disk, hit enter key. Okay, now on the third one, this is our USB drive. Now we need to select it, so scroll down. Okay, now right here select space disk space 2, select disk 2, select space disk space 2 and hit enter key. Perfect. Now we need to clean it, so right here clean, 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 and hit enter key. Okay, have a patience. Okay, this part succeeded in cleaning the disk. So that was it, we have cleaned this USB drive forcibly. Now we need to write here exit, so we can leave this command prompt window. So write here exit and hit enter key. Perfect. Now in the type here to search, you need to write here disk manage, and suggestion you will see on the top here, create and format, click on it. Okay, now here you can see different drives. Now we need to scroll down here and to see unallocated drive. So this is our drive. Here you can see unallocated, disk 2 removable F. So just this is the drive we need to, this is unallocated, we need to allocate it. So right click on it and click on new simple volume, click on next, click on next, click on next. Now here in the volume label you need to write whatever you want to write, USB drive or whatever. Just write here any name that you will like here. Okay, so write it and click on next, click on finish. Perfect. So this unallocated drive will be allocated soon, here you will see. Perfect. On the third one, USB drive, E drive, you can see they have, it is successfully allocated. Now first we need to go to the start computer and you can see this is successfully allocated. Now if you want to see its properties, you can see its space as well. So that's how you can repair any damaged SD card or USB. So if this video was to the point you liked it, so like and subscribe. Thank you, and yes, again don't forget to subscribe.